Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. A company has asked me to review this new CarPlay for wireless CarPlay. So my truck, a 21 Tundra SR5, came with Apple CarPlay or Android CarPlay, but it wasn't wireless. You have to have a wire, plug your phone in every time you get in the car. Um, Maybe I'm on a lazy factor there. I didn't want to do that. I'd rather just put my phone in the holder and go, and it'll connect to my Google Maps or whatever I'm using. And I have been for a while using one. Um, it's right here, and it's made by Drimfly. It's an Apple CarPlay thing, and it's been working great. And I just have it down here, uh, just taped out of the way with some industrial Velcro stuff. And anyway, so this company wanted me to try it out, and I'm going to do it. This is by CarAbc. It might be pronounced differently. I'm not sure. Well, let's see here. Let's get this box open and see what we got here. So, in this box, I have a user's manual. I have this right here. It's the CarAbc. Kind of a nifty little thing. I don't know if that's magnetic or not. Is it? Let me see. Oh, actually, you can see right here. No, it just has a little rubber pad on the back. If it was magnetic, it would stick to that massive piece of steel on my dashboard. Okay, so it has a little plug-ins here. Let's see, inside the box also, we have two USB cords. One for, looks like USB-C, and one for regular USB. So that's nice. It's packaged really nice, kind of like when you get an Apple phone or something like that. So let's take this off here, and let's see how this works. Now, I'm going to have to sync this with my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and do that because I'll have to connect it through Bluetooth. Okay. So what you do first is you go ahead and you put the USB cord on there. You go ahead and you plug it in. Okay. I've plugged it in. And this one as well could be, plugged in. I could Velcro this somewhere else. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to turn my vehicle to accessory. Let's just turn it on. Okay, so that's the first step. You go ahead and plug in your USB where it goes. If your vehicle came with CarPlay, the wireless little module here will work. Okay, second thing is I need to go to my phone and connect my Bluetooth to the smart box. Okay, guys, so everything connected. It took about a minute for the Bluetooth to connect. Asked me if I wanted to share contacts. I did not. Everything connected up good. If you look here. Okay, folks, so everything connected up good. The Bluetooth took about a minute. It asked if I wanted to share contacts. I did not, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, you have all your apps. As you notice there, I've got OnX and Gaia GPS and different things here. But anyways, you can, it's pretty good, just like the last one. Now, the key is how long it takes to connect up. Like once I start the car, is it going to be like boom, all the way connected? This one sometimes will hang up. Maybe it's the way I start my car. Maybe it's the Bluetooth with Toyota. I've had problems with some older vehicles like 2012 and stuff where the Bluetooth wouldn't connect all the time. But this one here, it takes about, usually on the average, from 30 seconds to about 60 seconds to engage. It's fine with me. I'm not like doing DoorDash and running around real fast, starting and stopping my car all the time. So it doesn't matter. But it does sometimes get annoying if I'm in a hurry to get somewhere and I want to punch in my coordinates so I can find my wherever I'm going. So let's do this. I'm going to turn the car off and turn it back on, and let's see what happens here. Take my key out, Wait a minute. Okay, let's start it again. All right, let's see how long it takes to sync up with the phone. Sorry for the dirt and the dust. You know, it's pollen season here, and you know, you can and it's everywhere, and it gets in everything. It's like living on a dirt road. Okay, let's see. All right. So I'm going to test it the rest of the day and get back to you at the end of the video on how this works. I'm happy with it. It's just a small round disc. You could, you know, Velcro this up anywhere. I will probably put it in the same spot. If I end up using this one, I like it. It has a nice shape. It might, you know, work better in your car than in mine. You know, I just like it hidden out of the way. You could also take your dash apart and hide it inside the dash as long as it's wired up. I have multiple USB plugs in here. I have one, two, more in the behind the console. I have a cigarette plug here. I have one inside here. I mean, I could have half a dozen USB ports, so it could go anywhere. But it needs to be plugged into this one that you would use for your phone to play your music. And it has a little like looks like a little fork diagram on it. And that one's the one that works. It won't work in the regular USB you would use to charge your phone. It's the one to sync your phone. So you know, and I only have one of those. So anyways, I don't know if any of that even made sense. But anyhow, this definitely needs to be plugged into the USB where you sync your phone to play music. Just want to let anyone out there know in case they don't. It won't work in the other USB plugs, which I have half a dozen of. So you definitely want that. Came with good directions. It's just the first 3 pages of it are the directions. It tells you how to update the app if you need to. It's in color. It's real small, but it's easy to read. They did a good job, and I think I'm going to be happy with it. Like I said, let's use it, and I'll get back to you at the end of the video. Thanks. So check this out. It has my Garmin Power Switch app on here. I don't think the other one did. Now this is a new version. The other one's about 2 years old. Let's go ahead and hit that and see what we got here. It looks like it has my programmed lights. That is awesome. So let's try these. Let's just try one. Look at that. And cut a couple on. And my amber lights. Let's just cut those on and let's go check them out. It does work. That's fantastic. Now I don't have to like bring up the app on my phone. I can just do it from the right there from the screen. That's awesome. Well, that's great. I can do this. So right now I'm just going to touch that, turn it off. I'm also going to turn this one off right here. Looks like I can customize it from here. I have everything on there. That's awesome. That is awesome. Now I don't have to bring the app up on my phone. I can do whatever I do, and that's great. Fantastic. So remember that anyone out here who has a Power Switch by Garmin, you have the app on here, which is just, man, that's just makes my day. Okay, so this is what you get. You get a user's manual. You get this disc. It's about 2 3/4 inches across and about, I'd say about a ½ inch thick. You can see maybe a little more than a ½ inch thick. Comes with 2 really nice cables. Now you can get those in black on Amazon if you want them, and you can get them in different lengths. So, you know, if you're about aesthetics in your interior like I am and keeping everything black and no chrome, etc., I would use a black cord. You'd be happier. And this thing, it's small enough. You could tuck it inside the dash if you wanted. You just have to pull a few pieces apart. But it could go in there. Like I said, it comes in this nice box, 2 cables, user manual. It's awesome. I mean, this is really nice, and it brings up all the apps I use that can be used with CarPlay. So there you have it. It's the CARabc. You know, do your research, check it out. I'll put some links under the video in the description. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, I hope you liked that video. I'm enjoying this new CarPlay gadget. I especially like that it has a power switch, or should I say that it lets the power switch app show up on the screen. Makes it a lot easier. I don't have to revert to my phone to control it while driving. I can just pull it up on my screen. That's probably much safer. Traffic buzzing by, everybody's speeding. I really like this. It's not big, but it is a disc. So to me, that kind of gives you less options on where to attach it onto your dash or something, because it's not a small rectangle like the last one I had. It's not compact, but in a lot of other vehicles, it really wouldn't matter. I'm probably gonna just tuck this inside the dash so it's always there, and I'll use some double stick tape to tape it inside. There's plenty of room, and you know, I'll just have to run the little wire out and plug it into that USB. The USB that you use to sync your phone for music. That's the one you need to use. Other than that, it works great. It looks really good. The packaging's real nice. Like I said, kind of like getting an iPhone. You know, that doesn't matter, but at least they take care in that. And the actual product is made well, very solid. And the cord is very good quality. Now you can get, it comes with some white cords. Now you can buy for really cheap on Amazon some little black cords, and I will put a link under the video in the description to all this stuff. So make sure you look for that. And I put links to all the other stuff I've done on the truck. So if you're interested in, you know, doing your own research and checking out the things I've done on my truck, you know, just go under the video, and in the description I've got all these links, and go to other videos of mine, and you can check out other links there to other things I've done. I've had to delete some of the links from the older videos because there's just not enough room to put them. But you know, if you're interested, you can go check those out. If you would, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you next time. I got more videos coming. See ya.